so sweet. Just one sip and I'm back on my feet. The caffeine kicks in, my eyes open wide. I'm ready to tackle